for exact notes. It's just exact notes. Music rocks. Yeah. Well, hello there, and welcome to Grieg's Morning. Good morning. Are you ready to wake up? It's time to wake up. This is an impressionism song. It's supposed to sound like the sounds of nature and birds starting to chirp after the darkest part of the night and the sun just barely starts to creep over the horizon. And we're going to do this one as a measure-by-measure video here. And we're going to start with measure 1. And notice that there's only 3 beats per measure. So measure 1 starts on this 3 on our A string. And then open E. And then a 3 on our E string right here. And then a 1 on our E string. And a 3. And a 0. And I burped a second ago. I hope that didn't get picked up too much on the camera. Blah! Gross. Excuse me. Okay, and then measure 3 is back to the same as measure 1. 3, oh, 3. Now measure 4 has some of our little notes here, so we're going to do 1. And then I'm going to keep 3 pressed down on the E string. And see what I did with these fingers? I could just do thumb, 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 thumb for 3, 0, 3, 0. But I kind of like the downstroke on this note and an upstroke with my pointer finger because I'm going down, up, like that. I don't know if you can kind of see it under this thing here. Like that. And that's a nice way to do it very fast if I'm going to. Like that. Okay, let's go to measure 5. This is also pretty similar to measure 1, but it's going to change a little bit. So we have 3, 0, and then 3 on the same string. Then we're going to reach up to 5, 0, 5. So I'm just going to slide my third finger right up here. So I'm using the same finger for both of these measures. Like that, 5, 0, 5. And then we're going to go back down to the first place that we were at, just like measure 1. 3, 0, 3. And then the last measure is going to introduce a second voice. We're going to use 1 on the E string, but we're also going to use the open C string. 2, 3. So let's try playing all of that slowly from the beginning. And if you need, you can just practice that on your own, but let's try it together at least once. From the start, ready? 1, 2, 3. 3, oh, 3. 1, 3. Oh, 3. Oh, 3. 1, 3. Oh, 3. Oh. Line 2. And then 5. Oh, 5. 3. Oh, 3. And then both of those notes together. And that's all you got to do for right now. Take it real slow. Try it a bunch of times. Try playing it at least 3 times in a row. And if you don't have it by then just kind of, you could try 5 maybe or 6. But if you don't have it by then, put it away and come back to it tomorrow. And that's all we're going to do for right now. So give yourself a round of applause. Good job.
Was that pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid.